How to deposit checks with BMO Harris Mobile App. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to easily deposit checks using the BMO Harris Mobile App step by step. First off, log into your application and once you land on the home page, you'll find the Pay and Transfer tab at the bottom of your screen. Just head over there and then tap on it. This account pop-up will pop up on your screen. Now just select Deposit a Check. And after reading through their terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Then you can enter the amount that's written on your check. Once you've entered the amount, you can choose an account you want to deposit it to. Once you have done that, you can click a picture of front and back of the check. Tap on Take Photo. First, make sure you allow the camera access if it's your first time. And once you agree, your camera will be set up to take your photos. So once your photos are taken, you can just tap on continue. And then here you can see if there is a hold on your money and see your available balance as well. Now to deposit another check, you can tap on deposit another check. And if you want to finish the process, you can just tap on finish and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.